Welcome to the Mystery of the Tripping AFCI, a video on troubleshooting nuisance trips and electrical safety. We're here to help you protect your home, one arc at a time. What exactly is an AFCI? It stands for Arc Fault Circuit Interrupter. Think of it as your home's silent guardian, a crucial safety device in your electrical panel. Standard breakers primarily protect against overloads and short circuits. An AFCI breaker, however, listens for dangerous electrical sparks, or arcs, to instantly cut power and prevent a fire. Arc faults are like tiny lightning bolts within your walls. They are an unintended electrical discharge between conductors. These arcs can reach extreme temperatures over 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which can easily ignite wood or insulation. When an AFCI trips, it's usually for one of three reasons: damaged wires, like frayed cords or pinched wires, loose screws in outlets or switches, or faulty devices, such as old appliances with noisy motors. Frayed appliance cords are the #1 culprit for AFCI tripping. If the outer insulation is broken on an appliance like a vacuum lamp or power tool, the internal wires can arc. If you find a damaged cord, replace the cord or the appliance immediately. Another common cause is loose wiring in the walls. Over years of use, wires behind outlets or switches can vibrate loose, creating a small gap. The electricity jumps across this gap, creating a series arc. The AFCI senses this rhythmic popping and shuts down the circuit for safety. Sometimes the breaker trips even when there's no fire risk. This is called a nuisance trip. Electronic noise, or RF interference, accounts for 50% of nuisance trips. Cheap power strips or specialized electronics can emit radio frequencies that mimic the sound of an arc. The AFCI trips just in case. Quality electronics are designed to filter this noise out. Common nuisance culprits include bad power strips, worn motor brushes in devices like vacuums or treadmills, and old lighting, such as flickering fluorescent ballasts that create electrical noise. If your AFCI trips, here's a 4-step troubleshooting process. First, unplug everything from the circuit. Second, reset the breaker at the panel. Third, plug items back one by one. Finally, identify the item that causes the trip. That's your culprit. Remember the 4 steps: unplug all devices, reset the breaker, test items individually, and identify the faulty device. Your AFCI breaker may have an LED light that provides status codes. Solid green means normal operation. Blinking red indicates an arc fault has been detected, requiring you to check cords and outlets. No light means no power. Reset the breaker or check the main feed. Let's review crucial safety rules. Don't force it. If it trips immediately after reset, leave it off. No downgrading. Never replace an AFCI with a standard breaker. Smell check. If you smell burning or fishy odors, call an electrician. Regular testing. Press the test button monthly to ensure it works. Never force an AFCI back on if it persistently trips, as this indicates a serious fault. Do not downgrade to a standard breaker, as modern codes require arc fault protection. Always call an electrician if you smell burning or fishy odors. And remember to test your AFCI monthly to ensure it's functioning correctly. As an old proverb reminds us, electricity is a good servant, but a bad master. A properly functioning AFCI means a safer home for you and your loved ones. Don't ignore the warnings. Electrical safety gives you peace of mind.